Hebrews chapter 9 verse number 27. Na yankai bribike to abi. Na me found support to the American one. That's a very nice message I took from Goshes and was share to remind you, say indeed, death one day. Ebe lokiti and ebe free. Hebrews 9 verse number 27. Or say, it is appointed for men to die once, and after that comes judgment. And you can a NLT now say, and just as each person is destined to die once, and after that comes judgment. Ntina say chrono atra to hodada. Yeah, was a young kaidum de maminu mi and said dako de ya prepe ya ko nearby. Yes, some of free award DNA we are buying suit a she and in a sephonina. We will vacate assassin. So, and let's go to Psalm 90 verse number 12 again. Nothing so main phone see Psalm 90 verse number 12. Nine also yanko kind kakrana yen radio or catch him. Na a honum no na yeme dekesipa. Psalm 90 verse 12 no de yeme depa. Or see, so teach us to number our days that we may get a heart of wisdom. The last part, a heart of wisdom. Teach us to number our days aright, that we may gain a heart of wisdom. Nti yenya koma nyansa ne adwene womu a yana montuo wasasi so yakone ye ba wasasi so enye otan ne mom ebeye odo ebeye se ye che odo ade kire ye ho ye da odo adi ade kire ye ho nti se ye kai ne ehunu ne eti ase se eda bi wo ho eye da krope na saa da no so na saa da no so ba me Kwame Agyarko wo asemasi a wutie me udin a wo de be hye ho se saa da no ne saa bre no so a obeko but then se wonya akoma adwene ne nyansa wo mu a whatever you are doing you will think about it and you will be very mindful say that ko obeko enti nipa nsehwe na nipa nua ene nipa yonko ene nipa na nipa nso ehia nipa all of the time. But what you say, nipa hia nipa all of the time, because at a very good or bad day you will vacate, and that day when you are vacating you will need human being. Ube hia nipa no wakwa jawo kwan, ube hia nipa no do wako no wakwa tu amna de washamna ni mu akata wo so. You will need human being to do that for you. Just as that very day, eso ya nipa ene de wo ba asase so, nipa ene kura mutete wo, nipa ne de wo ko school no kire wade, nipa na woni ne san ekọ ebasa, kopem da wo be vacate afri asase so a, wo be san hia nipa amana kwa ko ja wo kwan no. You need a heart of wisdom. Na hunu say, otan emfa unko si hwe. Ananti twitwa mfa unko si hwe. Emuna mfa unko si hwe. Ya epe na enu nti wutumi go to the extent to say uku yonko nipa to get what you want, of which at the end of the day, of which at the very good or the bad day, you will leave all of these things behind. I'm not saying don't struggle to achieve in this life. I am not saying that, but I am saying that as you are struggling to achieve in this life, do that with love. Do that with love. For when that day comes and you are departing, for when that day comes where you cannot do anything again, you will get human being. So we need ourselves. You need me, and I need you. And everybody needs somebody. So we all need ourselves. Be mindful. Be careful. Pause. Have a thought of it. that one very good day, one very bad day, at some seconds or minutes, obejam, obeko. And another be able to say, yeah, metaka say, death makes nonsense of life. Woman abrabonia sitting mune and kwana you wanna like abeyan kwasiasem, because at the end of the day, after work, ne bra wo bre no koba no sorry ahomachi no tisu, one day death will make nonsense of all the struggles, of all the difficulties you have been through. Death will make nonsense of it, and death will tell you, say, it wasn't worth it. Be careful. Be mindful. Show love. Have a heart of love. And live well before you leave. Good morning. Welcome to New Day. Good morning. Welcome to Friday morning. Good morning. Welcome to Ade Akye Abia. My name is Kwame Agyarko. Yakoba and some woho. Ebedi hon komo. Wakomo etu aswamaye.